Hi, how to discuss how we are going to talk about RFID system. So, if you want to design RFID access, how you can design the application with Keil and Proteus combination. Just go project tab and select the option new project. And save your programs with a specific folder. And choose your target device from a suitable manufacturer. Now just I am selecting Atmel and just click on this plus mark. It will show the list of devices and select your target device, which is 8089C51, and this is the startup code warning. Click on no and open editor window. Just choose file tab and select new, and to access RFID tags, so you should save the tags with a memory, and this is the controller header file name reg51.h. and take out your main and store all tags information. Unsigned char. This is tag 1. So each tag has unique size, which is 10 digit or 12 digit. So tag 1, this tag 1 information is like 1 4 A 2 3 6 7 8 9 B 3 2. So this is 12 digit 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this 12 digit tag, just I am saving this the tag 1 details, and like this just you have to save all tags details. This is tag 2, again with the 12 character size. And which is 1 4 A 2 3 6, and this is 1 9 F 8. This is the tag 2 details. So you should save all tag details with a specific arrays. And this time I'm using 3 tags. You will get 3 tags for each card reader. These are the tag 3 details. So all tag IDs which are comes with capital letters. These are the tag 3 details, and just I am declaring one empty array to read the tag values from card reader. with a 12 character size. And from here main program starts, and you should write the serial communication initialization steps by using SFR registers. So these are the values of SFR registers. And this is the baud rate value of quad reader, 9600, and start the timer. To repeat this for loop, just I am taking a variable x and I am taking one for loop with the 12 repetition characters, because I should read all these tag values from code reader, and the controller which can receive one character with the help of sbuff register. And this for loop operation we should do 12 times to receive the 12 characters from code reader. So this is a of x, which will store the 12 characters received from sbuff. And to receive each character you have to monitor RI status. If RI becomes 1, then one character is received from the code reader to controller. So for every one character you should clear RI logic, and whatever the characters you are receiving, if you want to see with serial terminal, you can retransmit by assigning same value to sbuff register. And for while transmission you should monitor TI logic. And RI should 0, TI should 0. And based on details what you received from card reader, you can check individual tags that you can write by using check function. So this check function you should declare before main. And just I am calling to check the individual tags with the help of check function. And this process you should repeat. For that just I am using infinite loop while. And this is the description for check function, while check. And in the check function you have to check all the values of this character variable. Just I am declaring these values in the global because I am going to use these other functions. And this check I can write to check tag 1. So if the received numbers are same, which are matching with tag 1 details, which is going to display tag 1 in the terminal with the related name. or employee details or student details, anything. Further, the first character, which is a of 0, which is 1, and a of 1, which is 4, and a of 2, which is a, which is capital A, so which is a case sensitive, which will check the individual characters stored in our buffer. Which is a of 3, which is equal to 2, because I am writing with tag 1. If we receive tag 1 details from card reader, just I am verifying with the help of check function. And a of 4, which is 3, and a of 5, which is 6, a of 6, which is 7, and a of 7, which is 8, and a of 8, which is 9, and a of 9, which is B, and a of 10, which is 3, and a of 11, which is, so this is the condition to check tag 1 details. And if these details are matched, then try to display the employee name details, which are stored in string, and if tag 2 is matched, then try to display other string, which is employee 2, with the other string, So this ID should be unique for each candidate, so based on their tags. So this employee 3, it will be vice president. If first tag details are matched, then you can transmit the first candidate details so just count the number of characters from Prime Minister to transmit how many times you have to repeat your for loop. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you should repeat for loop 14 times to transmit 14 individual characters from the string emp1. So all this transmission you should done through sbuff register, which you should write in capital letters because it is a SFR register, and this emp1 of x. And for each character you should monitor TI status. This should be clear. And for every character transmission, TI is going to 1. This will be employee 1 transmission. The same thing we have to write the other if conditions. For other if conditions in the check function. So by changing the related characters, 1, 4, 8, 2, 3, 6 is the common, 1, 9, F, R, 3, 1. 1. 9, F, R, 3 and 1. So this is the second candidate details. So you should check the number of characters from employee to string. Based on that, just count, change the count value for the for loop, and check out for this President of India how many characters. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this string which is have the size 18 characters. So just change the for loop value as 18. Next, mention the third if condition for vice president. And just copy the same thing but change the ID details, which are 3 to 4B, 3, 2, 4, B, F, and G. Four, three, six, five, nine, eight. Four, three, six, five, and nine, and eight. And these are the details for employee 3. And check out the character count from employee 3 string, tag 3 string. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this should be the equal size of Prime Minister. Then there is no need to change this size. So these are the individual conditions for individual details of individual tags. We'll verify the answer with hardware simulation. To do that, just add the source file with source group. Just right click on source group 1 and choose the option add files to source group 1. From here, and before that, you should save this program with .c extension. For that, file and click on save. This is employee attendance. And you should save this program with .c extension compulsion. And now you can add this file to the source group. Yes, choose the file from target folder and click on add and close. And now just build the target. You people can find the errors and warnings of this program. So which is with double quotes. And you have to save this. You have to close this if condition with a related close bracket. And this is the termination of second if condition. And this is the termination of last condition in the program. emp1 is a string name which is not defined initially. these details you should save in a global way, because I am going to use the same files with the other function of C program. So all these details you should save before main. And along with this, just check out termination, and opening brace and closing brace of your A, and this function declaration, so which is happened with so these details you should save with all credentials. Based on that, you will get the details of individual employees. We will check the output of this program by simulating with Proteus simulation, and you should mention the frequency as 11.0592 and use on-chip memories of the device, and create hex file and click on OK. And after giving all these options, just click on build option. So this the program development with Keil IDE. Minimize this and open simulation tool, which is help us to see the output of your RFID access system. And further, pick the devices from library and take out the terminal, which is cross connected with from instrument mode, and this virtual terminal, which will act as the peripheral device for your microcontroller. And make sure the connections are XD with TXD, and it should be always cross connection between controller and peripheral. And now so just link this hex file, just double click on controller, you will get the program file path. Just click on this folder symbol, it will ask for hex file path, and go for a specific folder where you saved your programs. So my application is RFID system. Click on open and mention the same clock frequency as 7.0592, which will support for serial communication with this family. And once you play this, so the virtual terminal, we should ask the details of tag 1, which is 14A236 14A236, so which is always case sensitive and which does not respond for anything. And if you are going to give the right RFID, which is 14A236 789B32. One four A236 789B32 789B32. So it will display the related name of your tag 1. And if you are asking, if you are taking the second input, suppose if you are giving the tag 3 details from card reader, which is 324B 324BFG 436598 436,598. So you should clear this. And just enter the third tag details now. Three, two, 4 BFG 436598 436,598. It will display the third person details which are related to tag 3. This way you can test your complete program. So this is applicable for all designing, attendance system, employee attendance system, and RFID tags, airports. So you people can use this all RFID tags in different places for identifying individual products, individual devices, so with a specific unique number provided by RFID tag. So this way you can check you can manage the libraries, you can manage any luggage system, you can manage room allotment. So all these kind of applications you can implement by using RFID tags. Thank you.